Sandeep, are you able to see my screen?
జస్ట్ నో అండి, ఇప్పుడే చూస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడే చూస్తున్నానండి.
Okay. Basically, RPA stands for robotic process automation. See here, the robotic means, see, if you are taking the robot, for example, as of now, in our general life, we are seeing some robotic, which means that once the human was developed by using any software language, it is going to mimic the human, how the human was behaving. The same set of kind of software we can call it as a robot. That is nothing but the robotic means without human interaction, it is going to take the execute enter the programs. Nothing but robot is a piece of a code or a business flow diagrams. Means once you have designed with different types of combinations of business logics and you have developed the bot, and once you have developed the bot, then no need of any human power here. It will execute by its own self. Means if you schedule any trigger, means if you schedule any job in the particular schedule timing, it will trigger it. Okay. And P stands for process. Process means it is nothing but a sequence of activities. Means on day-to-day basis we are going to perform some set of activities in a step-by-step manner. If you are missing any step here, then obviously you are not going to achieve that particular requirement. For example, the best example we can say it for this one, if we are working on to say any retail domain, there by the end of the day, the client he is going to ask the report. We need to share it by 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. We need to share the report of the customers, saying that how many tickets was booked, how many tickets was cancelled on the corresponding day. So for this one,
sorry, for report means like daily stand-up report. You're asking about like to send the report to the clients, like that way, yeah? You're saying
yes,
about
yes, yes,
report means.
yes, report. It is a report.
Okay.
Daily based report for the travel domain is we need to share the on daily basis how many tickets was booked, how many tickets was cancelled. In again with the banking industry and insurance, it is a different case again. It is depends upon the customers onboarding and enter the stuff. Here, it is travel domain. It was different case again. See, for example, if you need to generate any report in the travel domain, then mandatory later client will have some application. We need to log into the particular application. Means we need to launch that particular application, whether it is a web-based application or else Windows application. Okay, or else it is a database. See, first of all, here like we need to log in here. Means we need to provide the valid credentials and we need to click on the sign in button. Then it will log into the corresponding application. Once it is logged in successfully, it will move from this page to the some other page. Means this page to the another page, the navigation.
Yeah.
In that page, obviously we can see it. Once if you have launched this page, okay,
Yeah.
then in this page we will have a filter criteria conditions related to the dates, drop down menus, and enter the stuff, and as well as export buttons or assumption. If you click onto the export, based upon the client requirement, either the export is going to generate the output file in the form of XML or else Excel, CSV or else JSON format or else database kind of thing, how the client was designed. Once if I exported the data and we need to save into the data into the particular landing directory, means some folder we need to save this data. That is nothing but I am calling it as a landing directory. Okay. I am placing here as a LD. Once we have placed the data, means the data in the form of any source we are placing here, then we need to share this information with the client before the time frame, what the time frame the client was expecting. Means we are going to send the mail here. I mean, this is the one of the activity on daily basis corresponding FT was doing daily basis, the repetitive task. Means if you are missing anything here, either login or else export or else we are saving in this particular directory, whether we can able to send report to the client, it is not at all possible, right? That is nothing but the process here. Means the step by step sequence of activities.